How to succeed at lead generation is a very hot topic in the business world. Lead generation is defined as the process of acquiring and nurturing new potential clients and customers. In the world of internet marketing, this translates to attraction marketing, getting people to look at or visit your website. So how do you become an expert at this? There are no special talents or background required. Just as a firebug can be found in someone who cannot see very well, someone can be an expert in lead generation and marketing by knowing how to use the internet and putting people into your attraction zone. In fact, the best internet marketer is a person who can get people to look at your website. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to succeed at lead generation. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. You might be wondering how to succeed at lead generation if you have no online business whatsoever. One way is to make sure that your website is listed in the search engines frequently. If it is not, then you should know how to optimize your site so that it shows up. This is not easy. It takes time to learn how to do it right. Once you have learned how to optimize your site, the next step is learning how to create successful capture pages. These are pages where a visitor can rescue you and go on to buy from you. You may be interested in how to succeed at lead generation by building a lead capture page. Here are some tips to get you started. If you want to know how to succeed at lead generation, then you must realize that you cannot simply throw up a landing page and expect that people will come. People need to be lured into your site, and they need to be drawn in by something or someone that grabs their attention and compels them to take action. In other words, you need to have a hook. A hook is what gets you the person's attention and persuades them to move on to the next step of your lead capture page creation process. What is your hook? What gets your reader to want to know more? What is your offer? The answers to these questions are going to determine how successfully you will be able to capture a new customer and convert them into a client. Many marketers concentrate too much on how they are going to sell to people. That is fine. However, selling to people is useless unless you are able to acquire the person as a client. To do this, you need to provide value. Provide information about your product or service that will help that person make a decision. There are many examples of how to do this, such as using testimonials, providing free reports, giving out free information, etc. Lead capture pages are powerful marketing tools when used correctly. If you can capture the attention and interest of the right people, then success is almost guaranteed. You just need to understand how to do it properly. This article only scratches the surface of the topic. For more information, please feel free to connect on a further level. Lead capture pages are also very important because they increase the number of leads you have. However, once that initial contact has been made, how do you maintain that relationship? It is critical that you build a long-term relationship with the people who join your list. The more often you communicate with your list, the more likely you are to get new customers and retain those customers. As you continue to learn about how to succeed at lead generation, you will come across marketing strategies that seem almost impossible. However, if you apply yourself to the task, these marketing strategies are easy to accomplish. If you can put one step into practice every day, You will be well on your way to developing a large list, building a great relationship with those people who sign up for your list, and maintaining your customers' interest in what you have to offer.